In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite members to ClickUp and get your team collaborating on projects. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. ClickUp is a fantastic productivity platform, and inviting the right people is the first step towards a streamlined workflow. Okay, let's start by logging in. Open the ClickUp app or go to clickup.com and sign in using your existing account credentials. Make sure you're logged into the workspace you want to add users to. Now navigate to the invite function. In the left-hand sidebar, you'll see the invite option. Simply click on that. Next, we'll enter the email address of the person you'd like to invite. Type in their email address carefully, and please double check that it's correct. A simple typo can cause a lot of frustration. Once you've entered the email, ClickUp will automatically verify it against its system. Now's the time to choose the right role for this new member. ClickUp offers a variety of roles, like admin, member, or limited access, each with specific permissions. Take a look at the permissions associated with each role and select the one that best suits the individual's responsibilities within your workspace. Understanding these roles is key to maintaining security and control. Finally, let's send the invitation. Click the Send Free Invite button. ClickUp will then generate and send an invitation email to the provided address. Give it a few moments for it to arrive. Usually it's nearly instantaneous. You'll receive a confirmation message within ClickUp once the invitation has been sent successfully. Make sure to monitor your inbox as well to ensure the invite email hasn't gone to spam. Just a quick tip, always double-check email addresses before sending invitations, and carefully consider the role you assign. It directly impacts the level of access this user will have within your workspace. Regularly review permissions to ensure you're maintaining the highest level of security. Invite only those team members who genuinely need access, and follow up with anyone who hasn't accepted the invitation to ensure they've received it. And there you have it. You've successfully invited members to ClickUp, setting the stage for collaborative work and efficient project management. Now you can start building your team and getting things done together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.